Hey everybody, Courtney Smith here. I wanted to bring you up to date on what I'm looking at the markets right now. So what we have on this chart is the S&P 500. Over here on the left, each bar is 1 week, and over here, every bar is 1 day. So you can see on Friday, we had a little bit of a breakout here, and we've gotten some follow through today. So that's definitely bullish. We're making a higher high, and our lows are higher. So higher low, higher high. That's the definition of a bull market. Now, it's a mini bull market. It's not a major bull market, but nonetheless, it's a bull market. So my philosophy is to always only do what the market tells me to do. So the market is telling me to buy. So I've made some major shifts in my portfolio today. All right, major shifts. And now I'm net long the market right now. The interesting thing, by the way, if you want to find out if you want to follow what I'm doing every day, give John Duke a call or text him. John Duke, call or text at 702 718 8588. That's 702 718 8588. And he can tell you about our Navigator programs, which is basically all of my personal trading. So we see this rally here, and this is on concepts that the coronavirus has peaked. And so the market is not saying that we're not going to have more deaths, that we're not going to have more cases, but that we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. And the market is always looking to the future. So it's saying, I'm going to look past the hump of the bad news now, and I see good news coming. So let's hope they're right. Let's hope the market's right. And by the way, the market's actually pretty good at predicting things like this. So that's why the market's up. But and remember, the market's up, so I have to do what the market tells me to do. But I guess I'm still very, very nervous right now. And the reason is because I think it's pretty certain we're going to see the global economy locked down until the end of September. So that means that we're going to see the global economy drop by 20%, 15% minimum, 30% in some countries. Those are depression levels. That's not recession levels. Those are depression levels. So my question to you is, did this drop discount a depression level economy in the whole world? I don't think so. I don't think so. Now, we can't read the mind of the market, so we have to do what it tells us to do, and it's telling us to buy right now. But I'll come back to this did it discount a depression in a second. But here's the deal. If we stay closed until the end of May, then the world is definitely in a 30% depression. And it will have gone on for 2 months, 2.5 months, depending on how you want to feel it. We're going to have 15, 20% unemployment in the United States. We're going to see businesses damaged so severely they'll never come back. You're going to walk down the street and there's the Dunkin' Donuts and you say, it hasn't opened again. Yeah, no, it hasn't. It's dead now. It was killed. So you're going to see some permanent damage to the economy. And I'm going to ask the question again. Did the dip earlier this year discount all that bad economic news? I'm having a hard time believing that it has. Let me take it another step further. I believe that this whole COVID thing is causing the destruction of Europe. We now have border crossings again, okay? There was supposed to be free movement of goods and people. There's not free movement of goods and people anymore. So are we going to see Italy bail out, Spain bail out, Greece bail out, or maybe they'll be kicked out? So we're seeing the end of Europe. Is that discounted in the price of the euro? I don't think so. I think what's happened is that the market has focused on COVID itself and has yet to fully take into account all the ramifications of the global lockdown. Maybe of COVID, we have a bad sickness here, but the reaction of governments to shut down the global economy is unprecedented. We've never had that before. And so I don't think that the market is fully understanding all the ramifications of what we're seeing. So the market is in a bull move. We have to be bullish. We have to be long. That's the rules. But the way I'm playing this is to just be buying as many options as I can rather than stock. I'm trying to buy out of the money options because they're cheap. And if I blink and they go down to zero, well, I've lost $1.50 per option, not $6 per option. So I'm trying to be very conservative on the upside, but that's clearly what the market's telling me to do, buy. So I always do what the market tells me to do. But I'm doing it lightly. I'm doing it lightly. My hope is that the market is correct and that the COVID crisis is over and we'll all get back to work and the economy, it'll just be a short recession and life is muy bueno, as we say in my country. But you see what I'm saying? We need to be very cautious on the upside, but we have to be long right now. Okay, once again, if you're interested in following my trades and want to learn more about the Navigator program, text or call John Duke at 702-718-8588, 702-718-8588, and he can fill you in on all the details. Thanks very much, everybody. Talk to you later.